We're videotaping and Sage is feeding them. Sage, I'm not supposed to be feeding no more. Hi there, Woods. Ah, it's a good little boy over there. Sage, call Sage.
Sage.
Come on, Sage, here, let's go. Come on, Sage. Sage. Come on, let's get him up. Sage, hunt him up. Sage.
Sage.
Sage, you're using all my time. Come on, let's see the puppies. Go on, go. Come on, puppies. Puppy. Sage, here. Don't. Come on, guys. Puppies. Vroom.
Little girl.
There's a little girl. Come back to mom. Puppies. Hi, guys. That's a blue boy. That's a purple girl. He's got some character. Good girl. Come on, little ones. Puppies. Come on, guys. Walk this way. We got about 15 seconds. Come on, guys. That's the purple girl again. Yeah. The pinky girl. She's a stud. Who's that?
Green boy.
Huh? Green boy. That's a green boy. He's a pretty dog. He's a pretty boy. Okay.